How to completely uninstall WPS Office in Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method. First, make sure WPS Office is closed. If it's currently open, exit the application. Next, click the Start button and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Now, select Programs and Features. Here, you'll see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Find and select WPS Office from the list. At the top, click Uninstall Change. When the WPS Office uninstall window appears, follow the on-screen instructions. If you're asked to select a reason for uninstalling, choose any appropriate option and continue. You may also see an option to clear or remove WPS Office data. If you no longer need your WPS Office files or personal data, select the option to remove them. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Then click Uninstall and wait for the process to complete. Once the uninstall process is finished, close the window. You can now check your desktop and Start menu to confirm that WPS Office has been removed from your Windows 11 PC. And that's it! You've successfully uninstalled WPS Office from your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials.